First, you need to add an event to send to Firebase. I set this event when the player presses the Start Game button. After that, you need an Android device to connect directly to the computer for testing the feature. You must make sure that the Android device is connected. Try checking it in the command prompt with the following command line. This means the connection was successful. Now, go to your Unity project and select Build and Run. After the game has opened on the Android device, run this command. Package name is the name of your project. Now, you will open the debug view and check the logs. Play the game on the Android device and check the logs. The replay_button_clicked log has appeared, which means you have successfully connected, and check the log directly on Firebase. After completing, run this command to disable debugging on Firebase. Wish you success in your testing. Follow and subscribe to the channel to watch more useful videos.